Hey, friend! Today is Grandma Antoinetta's 90th birthday. Oh my goodness! She is from Italy, and I want to make her the most famous Italian dessert, Tiramisu. Have you heard of it? It is a coffee-flavored cake mixed with mascarpone cheese. You eat it cold, and it's really easy to make. The hard part is going to be finding 90 candles. Will you help me get ready? The ingredients that we need are 300 grams of ladyfinger cookies, 500 grams of mascarpone cheese, 4 eggs, whites and yolks, 100 grams of brown sugar, 2 cups of cold decaf coffee, and cocoa powder. And now the utensils that we need: 2 bowls, 1 beater, a spatula, a glass bowl. Now we have everything, so let's get to work. First, let's get our aprons. We don't want to make a mess. Let's mix everything with the beater: the brown sugar, the egg yolks, and the mascarpone cheese. Now let's clean the mixer well. If not, we won't be able to do the next step. Let's grab another bowl and we can whip the egg whites until they are fluffy. And now let's try it out to see if it turned out well. Let's flip the bowl over carefully, and if the mixture sticks to the bowl, we did it right. If it falls out, we have to do it again. Let's add the fluffed egg whites to the first mix, mixing them carefully up and down with the spatula. Now, the part we like most, dipping the cookies in the cold coffee. Now we have almost everything. Let's put the tiramisu together. Let's put the ladyfingers we dipped in coffee in a glass bowl and then put the cream on top. We will continue until we have 4 layers. Finished! Now we just have to keep it in the fridge for 2 hours so it gets nice and cold. Meanwhile, we will clean the kitchen. See you in 2 hours. Oh, I think I fell asleep. Where were we? Oh, I know. We have to take the cake out of the fridge. Wow, it looks so good. We can't forget to sprinkle a little bit of cocoa powder before we serve it. Oh my goodness, I really want to try it. We are going to celebrate Grandma's birthday with the whole family. Thanks for helping me. I'm going to finish putting on the 90 candles. See you later. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you like this tiramisu recipe? Write what you think in the comments section. Oh, and subscribe by clicking on the seal. And if you want to keep watching more videos, click on the squares.